जोर से बोलो।
Speak loudly. Speak loudly.
मैं इंग्लिश सीख रहा हूँ।
I am learning English. I am learning English.
मुझसे बात करो।
Talk to me. Talk to me.
मुझे एक बात बताओ।
Tell me one thing. Tell me one thing.
मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ।
I agree with you. I agree with you.
इसका क्या मतलब है?
What does it mean? What does it mean?
मुझे सब बताओ।
Tell me everything. Tell me everything.
मुझे थोड़ा समय दो।
Give me some time. Give me some time.
यह तुम्हारा नहीं है।
This is not yours. This is not yours.
मुझे गाड़ी चलाने दो।
Let me drive. Let me drive.
पहले कौन आया?
Who came first? Who came first?
उसे आने दो।
Let him come. Let him come.
तुम अच्छे लग रहे हो।
You are looking good. You are looking good.
हम कुछ नहीं जानते।
We know nothing. We know nothing.
अपने दोस्तों से बात करो।
Talk to your friends. Talk to your friends.
मैं आपको नहीं सुन सकता।
I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
मुझे कुछ पैसे चाहिए।
I need some money. I need some money.
पंखा चला दो।
Switch on the fan. Switch on the fan.
पंखा बंद कर दो।
Switch off the fan. Switch off the fan.
मैंने कुछ नहीं किया।
I did not do anything. I did not do anything.
मेरे पास कुछ पैसे हैं।
I have some money. I have some money.
रास्ते से हट जाओ।
Get off the way. Get off the way.
क्या तुम्हें ऐसा लगता है?
Do you think so? Do you think so?
तुमने क्या देखा?
What did you see? What did you see?
मुझे ठंड लग रही है।
I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold.
तुम गुस्सा क्यों हो?
Why are you angry? Why are you angry?
कहाँ जाना है?
Where to go? Where to go?
मुझे परेशान मत करो।
Don't disturb me. Don't disturb me.
आलसी मत बनो।
Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy.
क्या तुम बीमार हो?
Are you sick? Are you sick?
मेरा हाथ पकड़ो।
Hold my hand. Hold my hand.
बाहर मत खेलो।
Don't play outside. Don't play outside.
कौन सा लेना है?
Which one to take? Which one to take?
मेरा कौन सा है?
Which one is mine? Which one is mine?
किसको जाना है?
Who has to go? Who has to go?
मैं पूरा दिन बाहर था।
I was out all day. I was out all day.
अपनी आंखें खुली रखो।
Keep your eyes open. Keep your eyes open.
आप क्या सोच रहे हो?
What are you thinking? What are you thinking?
क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं?
Can you help me? Can you help me?
मैं घर पर हूँ।
I am at home. I am at home.
मुझ पर एक एहसान करना।
Do me a favor. Do me a favor.
चलो ये करते हैं।
Let's do it. Let's do it.
क्या तुम मुझे जानते हो?
Do you know me? Do you know me?
दरवाजा मत खोलो।
Don't open the door. Don't open the door.
किस बारे में?
About what? About what?
देर मत करो।
Don't be late. Don't be late.
मेरे साथ आओ।
Come with me. Come with me.
मैं जा रहा हूँ।
I am going. I am going.
उसे समय लेने दो।
Let him take time. Let him take time.
जाकर सो जाओ।
Go and sleep.
बारिश हो रही है।
It's raining. It's raining.
तुम्हें आना पड़ेगा।
You will have to come. You will have to come.
मैं मिलना चाहता हूँ।
I want to meet. I want to meet.
मुझे जाना है।
I have to go. I have to go.
मुझे नहीं पता।
I don't know. I don't know.
मुझे घर छोड़ दो।
Drop me home. Drop me home.
मुझे बोलने दो।
Let me speak. Let me speak.